Hello everybody, Assalamu alaikum. How have you been? Hopefully all of you are both physically and mentally okay, well and fine. This is my third video about English speaking skill. My dear audience, I have already published about this topic 2 videos. Those who have not watched my that video, I request you please watch my that video and then continue this video. My dear audience, my today discussion topic is how we can express ourselves in basic simple sentence. My dear audience, already I have mentioned in my previous video that if you know 100 words and if you know the basic structure of language and you practice regularly, after a certain period of time, minimum 6 months to maximum 2 years and 6 months, you will get yourself in this language. This is the secret tips of learning English. My dear audience, for getting any success, you need to take a strong decision. After taking a strong decision, you need to take a plan. After taking a plan, you need to start your works. Without starting any work, we cannot get the success. My dear audience, for getting success, we need to stay with this sector maximum time as our experience, as our ability. My dear audience, if you want to be fluent in this language, then it is very much essential for you to continue this kind of activities for a long period of time. If we want to learn any kinds of language, that time we have to think that we will not get this kind of efficiency within a short time. My dear audience, this is the most important things. If you think that you will get this experience within few days, this is not true. My dear audience, come to our main topic. Our main topic is how we can express ourselves in basic language, okay, in basic sentence structure. My dear audience, we know that there are 4 tenses which are very much essential for everyone to speak in this language fluently. And these tenses are: number 1, present indefinite tense; number 2, present continuous tense; number 3 and 4 are past indefinite tense and future indefinite tense. My dear audience, suppose I go to school, আমি স্কুলে যাই, in bangla আমি স্কুলে যাচ্ছি, I am going to school, আমি স্কুলে যাব, I will go to school, and আমি স্কুলে গিয়েছিলাম, I went to school. If I say I did go to school, both are correct. My dear audience, there is a secret tips for you. If I say that I did go to school and I went to school, both are similar, but it is difficult to remember that I went to school, I went, the past form of go verb. But if we say did plus present form, that time it is very much easier for everyone to keep that thing in their mind. That's why when you are saying something in past tense, in past indefinite tense, that time you can say did plus present form, okay, subject plus did plus present form of verb, then object or agreement. My dear audience, if you follow these steps, you can easily express yourself about past activities. My dear audience, if you follow this step, you will be able to your fluency, to get your fluency within few moments, few days. That is not possible. You will get fluency after a certain period of time. Already I have mentioned in this video. My dear audience, I will come with the videos of how we can express ourselves in 4 tenses, and for that purpose we need to know 100 basic words, and I will discuss about that language, about that words. My dear audience, stay with me from till to end and you will get better information. I think so. Thank you very much. Stay happy, stay healthy, be smile.